Alright guys, I just checked out of U-Haul and I might have a storage here throughout the year or close to downtown. I'm gonna try to do something like this in the off season because man, I'm so much more efficient and quicker. I just hit CVS, man. I had to go to the ATM. Most of my growers I buy with cash. See, this is the ladder from Tropical Acres Farm. This is my ladder. This ladder is obviously taller. One location with a lot of trees instead of doing a lot of ripping and running. Guys, I'm at my last grower's house. I'm just doing this right side all the way down there. Dude, look how big this mango is.
Scream!
This is a certified hood classic.
We are all gathered here today
Trapaholics Mixtapes.
for one reason and one reason only: to pay homage to the trap god, Hood Rich Gucci.
Start selling weed for my brothers, the April 11. 30 off $100, he working the shipment. 7th grade, Christmas time, mama gave me a 50.
Yo, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys having a blessed day. As you guys can tell, I'm out here in the field. I got my crates, I got my bucket, I got my picker, and I got the golf cart. And we on the east side today, so let me show you guys. So this is the east side. The entrance is sort of right here. I did that entire side. It goes all the way back over there. And then all of this is about 10 rows of mango trees going straight down. And then we have a nursery in the middle as well that kind of separates and break up everything. But yeah, man, it's kind of gloomy today outside, and I'm pretty busy today. It's Thursday. Today, tomorrow, and Saturday, I'm gonna be real busy. We got a farmer's market this week at Delray Beach Greens Market. We're gonna be selling mangoes there, a couple 100 pounds. This is actually this week and next week is my last time selling mangoes for the season. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited and kind of, sad because we gotta wait all the way to next year before mango season come back and we get things rolling again. But this season has been great. It's been a great learning experience. And today I'm gonna take you guys with me, and you guys gonna see me pick up my rental van. You're gonna see me hit some of my growers' houses and organize to get ready for the farmers market this weekend. You'll see me purchase a storage for next season because we got to store all the different equipment and things like that. So yeah, man, we here though, and I'm out here today, and we picking right now. Only got 2 mangoes. I seen these 2 mangoes on my way over here to finish the east side. So I was on the east side yesterday, man. I was rolling. I really only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows left of mango trees. This is actually Alex's pole. It's a paint pole, and then it extends right here, and you can tighten it and loosen it. It extends right, this whole entire gray part extends. And then he put some PC pipe on here and put some washers on here, then drilled the actual picker onto the paint pole. So I'm gonna try to do something like this in the off season because man, I'm so much more efficient and quicker with picking using this and not damaging fruit as well with my other picker. A few mangoes right here, but as I told you guys, the way I pick, I do one side. I hope I'm not being hypocritical right here. So I go down this entire row right here, but only looking at this side. You get what I'm saying? Well, I'll be coming back up essentially, right? And then I come back up only picking from this side, then make a turn right here, and then only picking from this side all the way down, and then come back the other way. And then I'm not on this side yet. I'm only picking from this side, and it's like a snake going up and down. Now, as you guys can tell right here, this row is pretty clear, and this row isn't. And I have the golf cart right here. So what I'm gonna do is, because there's some mangoes blocking us, I'm gonna back the golf cart out, put it in this row. So as I'm going up and down and bringing the bucket back to the crates, it's easier for me. Short left. And as you guys can tell, I don't have the picker with me. Essentially, I leave it inside whatever tree I was on, so that helps me better with picking up where I left off at, that I don't get lost and lose track. Okay guys, I'm getting towards the end of this row. Look at that ripened fruit up there. Can y'all see it? Is it focusing? See, it's right there, y'all. All right, let it focus up. Boom. Anyways, I'm down here at the end of the road. I'm doing this side, just this side. So I'm gonna circle around, and once I circle around here, I'm not jumping in this lane. I'm just doing this right side all the way down there. Then when I come back down here, I'm just doing this side till I get down here. I circle around again, and so on and so forth. And I only got 4 more rows after this one, so. Dude, look how big this mango is. Y'all really can't see. Look how huge this mango is, man. I'm up here at the front. The girls had to see the golf cart for seeding, so I was out in the field with no golf cart. But yeah, bro. Guys, as I was just stating, I am on my last 2 rows, really the last row, because I'm on that side of this row. And I'm on foot right now because the ladies had to use the cart for seeding. The store opens at 3, the fruit stand. It's 2:33, so we got about 27 minutes to clear these last 2 rows. And then, you know what I'm saying? This is my 6th and 7th crate, though. I've been going crazy today. I believe it's the 5th or 6th or 6th or 7th. So, yeah, let's get it. Okay, man, I'm in the back corner right now. Y'all know I'm in the back, bro, because the beehives are back here. But look, man, I'm right here on this tree. This is the last row behind me, as you guys can tell. Let me show you guys where I'm at, though. Here go my picker right here. I got 1 mango up in the harvest right here. I can't reach it, so, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to just use the picker. I don't try to get these too close to these guys right here, bro. As y'all can tell, they out and about. I'm not getting too close, homie. I'm not getting too close. And, man, this is just crazy. It baffles me how big this farm is. Keep this vlog rolling, man, because, as I stated all the way in the beginning, I'm going to take y'all with me, man. Bro, it's a mosquito on me. This is what I be talking about, man. This is why I wear all of this, my gloves, because, man, you'll be itching out here and tripping out, man. Just the wrong thing touch your skin. But, yeah, man, because I'm going to take y'all with me basically how I run the business. You know, I'm meeting up with a grower today. I'm doing 2 growers. I might just do 1 and do 1 tomorrow and getting all the inventory for the farmers market in Delray Beach this Saturday morning from 9 to 1 p.m. So, yeah, but let me finish up this, bro, and I'm going to catch up with y'all. All right, guys, I just checked out of U-Haul. Here's the vehicle right here. I got a truck this time instead of a van, and it's nice, man. It's really spacious. I wanted to show you guys, you know, how I do this, man. But, yeah, I had to rent this vehicle. It didn't cost a lot. We'll make a return of our investment with the markets and selling mangoes this weekend. But let me flip the camera. Yeah, man, I wanted to show you guys, you know, the vehicle while I'm here at the storage, and I might have a storage here throughout the year or close to downtown to leave all my different equipment in for mango season. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all when I get to the spot and I'm loading up the truck, and then I gotta hit one of my growers' house and then another one after that. So 2 growers in one day, and both growers do not pick their trees. One of them have an exception because he's handicapped, he's in a wheelchair. The other one, you know, I love when people have the mangoes there and ready for me, man, because I just got off at the orchard doing hundreds of trees picking, you know what I'm saying? So it just be a hassle sometimes. But I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Older, man, it's the next morning. This vlog all over the place, bro. I'm about to hit up a few different of my growers' houses. We got the Delray Beach Farmers Market tomorrow, so, you know, I got to get this inventory in, and I'm really low on inventory right now. I got some things in the back, you know what I'm saying? I got a few produce boxes, got some right here beside me, got my picker back here, you know what I'm saying? So like, comment, subscribe. You know, we went from yesterday to today, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me here on this process of me collecting inventory. All right, man, I'm back. See, this is the ladder from Tropical Acres Farm. This is my ladder. This ladder is obviously taller, and I have to pick some mangoes that's all the way up there. And then after this, I actually just got some good news. I met a grower who has 2 acres and it's 70 trees. So this is a blessing because I need more inventory and more people that has one location with a lot of trees instead of doing a lot of ripping and running. And then them having multiple trees, I can coordinate shipping and unripened cut out on me. But I could coordinate shipping and unripened fruit. But let me go ahead and pick this, and then I'm hopping on the road, man. All right, fam, I just hit CVS, man. I had to go to the ATM. Most of my growers I buy with cash, you feel me? And I gotta get some more bakery crates. I only got one. And it's gonna be a lot of mangoes, bro. All right, guys, I'm actually leaving one of my growers' properties right now. You can see it a little bit. I got some recording with Instagram, so you guys can see it on Instagram. But I got one, maybe two more to go. Yeah, I can see it in my face, man. Right now, it's 5:05. I've been at it since this morning, so you know what I'm saying? I'm about to get to it, and I'm gonna catch up with y'all. Guys, I'm at my last grower's house. As you guys can tell, all the fruit is gone. Most of it is on the ground. Oh. And yeah, man, this is it for the day. But y'all, I'm sitting here chilling. Mr. Ed. And
Keep learning new stuff and then it's just in the because that place out in Lewiston that has overripe fruit. That's an interesting place. Probably run by Cubans.